Hello design lovers, welcome to Arch Zenith channel. What if your home could be more than just beautiful? What if it could be a living ecosystem that gives back to the planet? Every furniture choice, every material, every design decision can become a love letter to Earth, creating spaces of stunning beauty and deep comfort. Welcome to the future of interior design, where sustainability and style are inseparable. This is your roadmap to a home that reflects your values without compromising on style. We'll cover materials, energy efficiency, biophilic design, and 2025's key trends. Everything you need to create a sanctuary that does good. Segment 1. The Sustainable Mindset. Sustainable design is a holistic shift in how we view our spaces. It's not just about green products. It's about reducing waste, conserving resources, and supporting ecological and human health. Every item in your home has a story: where it came from, how it was made, where it will go. Sustainable design ensures that story is one you're proud to tell. Practically, this means asking new questions. What did it take to make this? How far did it travel? What happens when I no longer need it? This mindful approach turns design into a meaningful practice that aligns your space with your values. Segment 2. Choosing sustainable materials. Start with the surfaces around you. Choose reclaimed wood with its unique history, rapidly renewable bamboo and cork, locally sourced stone, or recycled metals. 2025 trends celebrate these organic, earthy materials for their calming, grounded feel. Pay equal attention to finishes. Opt for low-VOC or zero-VOC paints and sealants to protect your indoor air quality, and look for certifications like Green Guard. For textiles, choose natural fibers like organic cotton, linen, hemp, or wool, which are biodegradable and avoid microplastics. Certifications like GOTS or OEKO-TEX ensure responsible production. Sustainable materials often offer more beauty and character than conventional options. Think of the texture of hand-loomed linen or the depth of clay plaster walls. Segment 3. Furniture with a conscience. The most sustainable furniture is often what you already own. Refresh pieces with reusable string, refinishing, or repurposing before buying new. When you do buy, choose modular and multifunctional designs, a 2025 trend that adapts to your changing needs and reduces waste. Vintage and second-hand pieces are also stellar choices, offering unique character and keeping items out of landfills. For new purchases, look for FSC certified wood, transparent supply chains, and local artisans. Sustainable furniture is about quality, longevity, and ethical making. Segment 4. The Biophilic Design Revolution. Biophilic design strengthens our innate connection to nature, boosting well-being and planetary respect. Start with plants, from vertical living walls to statement floor plants, but go further. Maximize natural light to save energy and uplift mood. Incorporate natural textures like wood grain, stone, and woven fibers. 2025 trends feature textured walls, grasscloth wallpapers, and 3D panels inspired by natural forms. This sensory immersion reduces stress and deepens our appreciation for the environment. Segment 5. Energy efficiency, the unseen hero. Some of the most powerful, sustainable choices work behind the scenes. Switch to LED lighting, which uses 75% less energy and lasts for years. Use layered lighting with dimmers and smart controls for efficiency and ambience. Choose Energy Star-rated appliances to save energy and water. Thoughtful space planning also increases efficiency. Open layouts aid airflow. Multi-purpose rooms reduce square footage needs, and strategic window placement leverages passive solar heating and cooling. These choices offer daily, long-term benefits. Segment 6. Personalizing your sustainable space. Sustainability doesn't limit self-expression, it enhances it. 2025 trends highlight personalization and artisanal touches. Create gallery walls with meaningful art, display travel mementos, or commission local artists. Maximalism can be sustainable when it's intentional, filled with curated vintage finds and loved collections, rather than driven by mindless consumption. Focus on developing a lasting style you genuinely love, not fleeting trends. The most sustainable home is a true reflection of you, where every piece has purpose, beauty aligns with responsibility, and your design choices tell your unique story. Creating an eco-conscious home is a journey of mindful, creative choices. We started with a sustainable philosophy, explored materials and furniture, embraced biophilic design, prioritized energy efficiency, and celebrated personal style. Begin where you are. Use what you have. Choose better when you replace. Each decision has a profound impact on your comfort and on our planet. What's one sustainable change you'll make? Share below to inspire others. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more. Remember, good design creates not just beautiful spaces, but better ways of living. Thank you for watching, and keep designing with intention.